Heartthrob Hamster. Oh, he's so cute.
So adorable.
Oh, can we keep him? Can we please? Oh, just when you thought Sir Galahad couldn't get any cuter, he got cuter. So much cuter.
Hey, you guys, you gotta try a hickory nut. It's delicious. Who is that?
Squeaks, this is Sir Galahad. Sir Galahad, this is Squeaks.
Nice to meet you.
The pleasure is all mine. What do you say you let me out from this cage so I can properly say hello?
Okay.
Yes!
Wait, how? He's not allowed out.
On my hamster honor, I will come out for a brief moment and then scoot back in. I promise.
Okay.
Hal, we need to be responsible. We're pet-sitting Sir Galahad. Remember the rules Dad told the kids? You're not, under any circumstances, allowed to let Sir Galahad out of the cage or you'll be in big trouble.
Whoops, how did that happen?
Daisy, if I let rules dictate my life, I would not have seen the magnificent ruins of Machu Picchu, smelled the sweet aroma of the Amazonian rainforest lily, or kissed the dainty hand of a beautiful fair maiden. And this is where I say,
Yes?
so long, Toots! Thanks for the nuts! I'm never going back into that cage! Baby, I was born to run!
What just happened?